So we have question number 5 here, and it's like a worded quadratic equation. So generally students struggle over here. Let's see how we can really fix it. So what we have a rectangle. How about me drawing a rectangle to visualize the question? So we have it here, a rectangle that has an area of 48 squared centimeters. So that is fine. The area is given to us, that is 48 squared centimeters. Okay, its length is x. So let's say, for example, the length is x and its width is x minus 2. Find x. That's quite easy. It's only just, wording the question. That is it. Once you figure it out, nothing would be easier than this. What we have the area of a rectangle. Do you not know the formula of area of a rectangle? It's length times width. The length is in terms of x and width is x minus 2. And area we already know. That means x minus 2 is equal to 48. Let's expand. X squared take away 2x is equal to 48. From here we get our quadratic equation. X squared minus 2x minus 48 equals 0. Okay, what multiplies to give you minus 48, what adds to give you minus 2. So I think because it's a negative sign, so definitely we will be having different signs, one positive, one negative. So we will have a positive and a negative sign. Now what two numbers, when you multiply them, they will give you minus 48, but add to give them minus 2. So normally 6 and 8, they multiply to give us 48. We have to make minus, so 1 has to be minus. So if you do 6 minus 8, that gives you minus 2, and 6 times minus 8, that gives you minus 48. So generally when you have a negative sign, that means both the brackets are going to be opposite, like different signs, and it is negative. So what we do, we just make the bigger number negative. So it is x plus 6, x minus 8. So what do we get as answer here? The value of x. So from here, that equals 0. If you solve this quadratic equation, x is 8 and minus 6. Obviously, the side's length couldn't be negative, so the value of x is 8, right? 8 centimeters. So 8 is width. This is 8 centimeters. That is what the answer was. And its width is 6 centimeters. Did I say width at any point? I mean, 8 is the length and 6 is the width, which is not asked over here, but it's fine. Okay, hope that makes sense. Thank you.